What's good, guys? It's been a few hours. So I've decided that on my plot down here, I'm going to build a factory. So again, I'm going to create a site. Then I get this alert for a transaction notification. I click it. So now that is pending. So now that it is pending, we need to wait for the process to finish. And then I'll be able to go into my asteroid marketplace and start sending things to this building site. There we go. Factory is finally ready for staging, so we can now send materials to it. So once again, I'm gonna go down here to this button, asteroid market, cement. When I'm looking down here, I'm looking distance to crew, and I'm just gonna do the quickest distance to my crew. That's at a decent price, and then just click until I see 900 tons of cement. Click my factory, click done. Now, if it was wrong, for example, if I had an extra 9, you'd see that is red. If it was underdone, you won't know either. If you don't know how to figure out the zeros or whatever, go over and then go down one. Click your market buy. It's as easy as that to do your transactions. They will all be sent in due time. 938 sway, not too bad. I'm then gonna back out. So on one tab, I wanna have all my materials so I can split between it and go from marketplace to the construction of my building to see what I need. 1.1 kilotons of steel beams. Finding something that's close, and then just add my zeros. 1.1 KT, that's what I'm after. 64,000, market buy. Let's go. If I was to leave this place, I'm pretty sure I can take the materials back. I can deconstruct buildings, I'm pretty sure. So that's something to keep in mind, that I'm spending this money now, but maybe I get all these materials back when I deconstruct them. Maybe not the cement. I doubt I'm gonna be able to get that back. If you can, I'm gonna call bullshit. I need 700 tons of steel sheet. I need 700 tons to my factory. Now, as you can see, my warehouse also came up there. So if I wanted to just send a ton of stuff to my warehouse, I could do so, and then it would be easier for them to get to my new building. So I need a fluid module. I need 4 of them. Type it in, find the one closest to you that isn't a ridiculous price. Tasty goods, 5,000, sounds good to me. 40 solid automation to my factory, market buy. Avionics module, need 8 of them. My eyesight must be going, eh? Market buy. What's my sway sitting at? I'm still on 21 million, so I'm yet to spend over $1 million on making all this stuff. I need 20 power supplies. I need 20, 33,000. My factory, market buy, clickety click, lickety split. Last thing I need is 6 thermal modules. That's nice and cheap for us. And last transaction, pickety bam, thank you ma'am. Everything is coming in. Where are they getting sent from? Right way over here. So getting sent from there to my location, and it's going to take 3 hours. As you can see here, all the processes here. We are starting to make a nice little grouping of places. Things are obviously taking time to do. 11 hours on my sampling, 17 hours on my construction of my refinery, 2 days left on my construction of my shipyard. When these things clear, the construction will be a couple of days as well. Again, I just want to have these things in queue so I don't miss anything. I can't construct until I've completed all my progresses and actually signed for all the goods. So this factory cost 185,000 sway, and that was bought from the Prime Council, and it was from the closest place in proximity to my home at Adalia Prime, along with the cheapest price. So keep those 2 factors in the old noggin, and remember to keep expanding your influence in this game. And if you have made it this far, feel free to give me a one of these ones. Like, subscribe, thumbs up, etc. And I'll see you in the next one on Influence. Your boy Chugs, signing off.